Today we back at Goodwill. Into the Goodwill, bro.
Oh yeah.
No, we back at Goodwill today. Could it be a secret? Huh? Should it be like a secret? We're making some mystery pins today.
Okay. Let's get out of here.
All right.
What's up?
No cards. That
Can't
might be
use
the
your
worst
mojo
sign,
today,
bro. That might be the worst thing.
This could be good.
That might actually be bad, bro.
Really?
I've never walked in this store and not had a cart in my hands. I don't even know where the jeans are.
This nigga forgot how to thread.
I don't even know. Nah,
You can
bro.
really get some blue jeans.
Nah, I wanted to get some of these color type jeans. Those are girl jeans, though. And they're small as hell.
Okay. Like for the double waist? I don't know. For the inner pant?
Maybe. These Levi's were cool. 36 waist? That has to be capped. Wait, are these the same jeans? Oh no, these are Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein jeans? Whoa, they have the same waist. But are they long enough though? Oh yeah. No, this is kind of perfect. Okay. Kind of the perfect match. No Netflix.
You're a sicko, bro.
Wow, bro.
We're a Love Island kind of family over here, man. Don't watch Perfect Match.
Bro. I'm gonna start using Love Island Riz. I'm gonna just start saying, I'll pull you for a chat. I want black jeans, bro.
Family cool. Wait, hold on. Why are these Wranglers? Let me zoom into the budget.
They're no brands. These are still here.
Is that a sign that they're ass?
Yeah. Whoa.
Have two stripes, man.
Yeah.
Is that fire though?
It might be. I remember one time in high school, I think it was either high school or middle school, I wore pants with two stripes. I saw kids at the other table pointing and laughing.
No way. These are like too tough though.
It was crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I remember who it was too, bro. I remember exactly who it was.
That's funny.
Not their names, just the faces. I think that's the best we're gonna do here.
You're off the Goodwill?
Yeah. I'm off the Goodwill. Alright, family thrift vibes. We just saw 5 girls walk out of here with full bags, but hopefully we find some.
They really had 2 bags each.
We're not doing a cart today.
You sure, man? We didn't touch the cart at the last place.
Don't worry, we'll be fine. Whoa.
You have a problem.
That's not even what I was talking about.
Sure, buddy.
I was talking about the fact that this place kind of sucks.
Yeah, it does actually. I hadn't even been paying attention.
Bro. No pants here.
Bro, I just thought about the way you just look back in distress. You should have like a monster. Nigga just flipping through clothes.
I don't know, bro. This look like.
Gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Put me on.
Alright, we
I
won't.
might be looking for you.
Really?
Really?
Look
I'll make sure to blur your face out. Don't worry. Don't worry about it.
Who the fuck is looking for her, bro?
I don't know, bro. No, I think she was just trolling us.
Okay, man. It's all fun and games until some secret agents bust in here.
FBI emails me. So,
we're gonna need that footage.
Yeah, we've entered uncharted territory, bro.
Bro, let's go. This shit is ass.
Yeah, this place is not good.
What the fuck? Second spot's a bust, huh?
Wait. Might be able to do something here with these. With the other black pants I have.
That nigga Ant started getting fried, bro. Look
Should've
at this
put
sorry
the-
ass nigga. This nigga, they go. This nigga do not bald.
Oh, bro. He said GTA ass cussing. That's crazy.
I actually like these a lot.
I like this right here. It's like a swan.
Yeah, that's tough.
Might just have to get these call it a day, honestly.
He made low-rise jeans. You know what I'm saying?
You said what?
Low-rise jeans. Like, they're already sagged. You know
Those aren't jeans for us, bro. Those are for the girls, bro.
My fault, bro.
Gotta talk about low-rise jeans. Yeah, I might just have to get these, bro. I don't know if these are like the same as the other ones.
The ones that were in the car?
Yeah. Yeah, bro, fuck it. Let's just get these.
There is another family with anyways. It's further down Highway 6. We can go.
I want to just put these down and go over there.
Items in them.
Gotta blend it in somewhere.
I'm about to turn this off, man. Trust, bro. This is the one. I can tell by the smell.
Smell of tea?
Oh, yeah.
I don't smell it anymore, bro.
That's how you know the clothes are good, man.
Make sure you wash these clothes.
Bro, come on.
Off the ripskis.
That's what I'm saying. Look at these.
Whoa, Rustler. It's kind of fire.
Look at these shits.
What? These? Or these?
You just have to wash them.
Yeah, I did. I could find more jeans that look like
this. You can get both the Rustler ones in there. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about those.
Whoa!
These Rustlers are Wranglers.
Wranglers. These are premium Wranglers.
The premium Wrangler?
Nah, these are too many pants, bro. Too many.
How many pants do they already have? 3 in the car?
There's 1 in the, well, there is 3 in the car.
Yeah.
Nah, man, these guys have some. I don't know, I'm gonna just hold them. We can decide which ones to get.
Nautica jeans?
Some actual Nautica jeans? I've only ever had a sweater that had this brand on it. I've never actually found their jeans before. Let's put a hold on them. Oh. What the heck is this? Ew, bro. What is this?
Would have been. Oh, no, I put it down, nigga. I didn't even see that.
Those are super joggers, bro. I'm about to get a cart after,
But they ended up touching the cart.
just because of success overload. Whoa.
Yo, Brian,
These are tough.
we're at the thrift right now, trying to buy some pants. We need your help to decide which ones to get. Can you lay them on the ground or something? This shows guy.
The ground. I'll
We're
just
gonna
hold
wash
them
these
up,
pants.
bro.
Huh?
Said I'll just hold them up, bro.
I bet.
You still gotta touch the pants, man. We have these Wranglers here.
Okay. These are the first ones. There's some freaking Wranglers.
There's a tag on the back skis. These are some Nautica jeans. There's a lot of them in the cart.
This is another
These
pair
are
of Wranglers. These
another
ones
pair
have
of
like,
Wranglers.
some special patch on them shits. Let me see the front.
Basically the same as the other ones.
There's like bronze buttons and things of that nature. And then there's these fat ass Wranglers.
These Wranglers right here, Wrangler Authentics. These are just some Rustler jeans.
I thought we should just get those other ones and not these last two that we just showed.
Yeah.
But those other ones were at least kind of special, you know? Anthony, can't keep up, bro. My pants are falling.
Alright, so these are the jeans we got. Here we got some Rustler jeans. And then here, some Wranglers. Like, I don't know what type of tag this is on the Wranglers, but it looks nice though. Got some Nautica jeans. These some Levi's. Some Calvin Kleins. And I think these are like, I don't know what brand this is, George. Is that Target? I don't know. But we're gonna make a few pairs of pants out of these. I really don't know what I'm gonna do to them yet, but I guess we'll just see at the end for Some of them might be baggy, some of them might be double waist, maybe some boot cut jeans. Let's see what we can make out of these. After hours of tedious work, I finally finished the pants. Let's just try them on already. Okay, these are the first pair of jeans. These are the first blue jeans we picked up. I basically just combined them, made them double waist, made them a little more baggy. I think they came out pretty good. These might be my new favorite pair of blue jeans, honestly. These are the next pair of jeans. These were the Wranglers and the George jeans. I forgot what brand it was, but basically with these, I kind of just made them flared or boot cut, whatever you want to call it. I did fabric to both sides, right here and here, so they could flare out. But yeah, I think these came out perfect, honestly. I actually wore these out and somebody already complimented me on them, so they gotta be nice, right? These are some other jeans that I made before I even really started recording YouTube videos. I never recorded making them. Well, I did, and I posted on my TikTok, but not on YouTube though, so I thought this would be a good time to show them off. Just some double-waisted Wrangler jeans. I made them extra baggy too. I think these are like my favorite jeans right now, honestly. I want to add some distressing to them, but I don't know yet. These are also some jeans that I've previously made. Again, ignore the wrinkles. These just came out of the washer. I honestly need a belt too, because the waist is pretty big. But yeah, I also made these double-waisted. Honestly, I kind of don't like this color of blue jeans. I've been meaning to dye them a different color, but I just don't know which color to dye them in. Y'all leave me some suggestions down in the comments, but I don't know. I like these though. They fit nice. Just some cool shit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all would like more videos like these, drop a like, show some love down in the comments below. Subscribe, follow me on my socials, link in the description. Also join the Discord. Y'all join the Discord. A fit rate video is coming soon, so everybody submit your fit rates. But yeah, that's really all I have. Peace.